I will conclude with a last video that represents the expansion of what we are doing with the living heart, because the life science and personal health is going to have an influence on so many industries, whether it's about equipment, whether it's about new materials, biomaterials, about putting, finally, chemistry, biology on other kind of advanced materials to create the innovation of tomorrow, to create protheses, but to create many other solutions for personalized health. So please run this live dream video that represents where we want to go, putting all these elements together.
The holy grail of preventive and personalized healthcare is within mankind's sight. But great challenges remain to connect the dots amongst scientific insight, clinical information, and patient medical records. The goal of personalized healthcare is to leverage a global medical knowledge ecosystem and to create customized health solutions from which early diagnoses and personalized cures could come. If we connect people with data, we can make quicker decisions and impact lives. If we can view personalized information in 3D, the best course of treatment can be recommended. If we virtually simulate a patient's reaction, we can better target her treatment. If we connect data and information, we can put the power of health in our own hands. If we create tailor-made medicine, could we stay healthier for longer? Personalized healthcare, a dream our software could bring to life.